Let's get this party started. I loaded my van, which is surprisingly very roomy, and arrived to the venue, quickly unpacked, and started with a few clarifications from the client. I want to know exactly where my frame should go, how tall, how wide. She specifically asked to cover the fireplace and TV, and I did just that. Whatever makes my clients happy, I am there for it. As a balloon artist, I am very considerate of how much space we have. Garland needed to be big enough and wide enough for people to get up from their seats and walk comfortably around it. I calculated everything and went straight to work. Backdrop started with a perfect pleats of fabric. Neck to neck technique is used to build my organic balloon garland. I make my base first and then I go in with extra clusters of balloons to make my base a lot more voluminous and grand. Really did not like the bottom, so I completely undone the bottom and made it exactly how I was envisioning. Much better. It's not overstuffed, it's not too much balloons, but it's flowy and it makes sense, and it has some kind of shape at the bottom as well. I attached extra clusters by the necks of balloons, same technique I used for the base. In this setup, I had two colors as a pop of color. To place them, I was holding on to a zigzag application. Colors didn't fight with each other, but they were complementing each other and worked together. Checking and fixing last minute details. Very important to leave your workspace clean with no trash left behind. And last but not least, battery operated candles. Love them so much. They do add a beautiful touch. This is exactly what they asked for navy with pop of white and pop of gold. I decided to go for little ropes of gold instead of just quads. Make sure your pleats are on point. Candles at the bottom. Love these candles, absolutely amazing. Comes with a remote. You just click a few times off and every single candle shuts down. And then to turn it on, just on button a couple of times until everything's on and they're ready to be beautiful. Leaving the remote for the client to turn it on. I'm out. My work is done here, so looks great. Pretty happy. The installation overall took me an hour and a half, even less than that, because I was stepping away from my actual work to help with other like miniature stuff, like hanging happy birthday banner and here and there. It was a very easy setup. It was really quick. Client liked it. All I need to do is to come back after the party to take everything back home, all of my stuff like fabric, candles, and a stand, and that's it. Thank you for staying with me on this installation. Subscribe for more videos, like and share, don't forget. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.